everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the second part of lockdown. So in this video, I told you guys in the previous video that I'm going to show you guys all the packages and everything that I've been buying online. It's coming in the next couple of days, so you'll probably see it after this clip. We have some really exciting things, but also some challenges ahead, so we'll see how we get on. Right now, I am about to go to the supermarket, but there's a challenge because our fridge is broken. I told you guys I need to move ASAP because this situation is getting out of hand. So our fridge is broken. We can't store anything in the fridge. We don't know when the guy is coming to fix it. So I'm gonna have to go buy things right now that don't need to go in the fridge. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I need food and I don't want to go grocery shopping any more than I possibly have to. I also just want to add before we start this video too much that I'm gonna probably seem very positive and very happy throughout this video and also right now in this clip, and that's because I am very positive. I am doing really well in the situation right now, at least. We'll see later on in the video. It's day, I don't know, 11 or 12 of lockdown. It's at the end of the second week and I'm doing really well. Like, I'm trying to stay positive, which is something that I've tried to focus on a lot, and I don't want it to come across as though I don't take this seriously or that I'm oblivious to what's going on and all the negativity and all the horrible things that are happening around the world. I know all of that and I take that very seriously, but that is also why I am trying to do my part by staying positive, by trying to stay at home as much as possible. But while I'm at home, I don't see why I shouldn't try to make the best of the situation. It's just me trying to stay on top of my mental health, and I think that's something that you guys should do as well. And I just wanted to throw that in here. I hope that these videos that I put up and the content that I create for you guys can help you guys to look more positively at things and maybe just be kind of a bright 10 minutes of your day. That's all I want to do. That's how I feel like I can help you guys, and that is why I try to be as happy and as positive as I can. Okay, that's all I had to say. I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Goodbye. Okay guys, so yesterday something really exciting arrived. I bought a new desk and this arrived yesterday, and the clips that you're about to see is me trying to put it together. And the reason that I've bought a desk is because I never really had one, and I am suffering from serious back pains from always editing photos, videos and everything from my bed, and this is really not ideal. So I decided that now is the time to find the perfect desk, and yesterday it arrived, and now I'm going to show you guys how I put it together and how it looks.
Too much of emotions, sometimes I'm delighted. Don't wanna pick a fight with it.
Okay guys, so here we are with the new desk. I just unpacked the box and I see everything in front of me. We have a nice little guide here. It looks super confusing and I'm very interested how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna attempt to put this thing together by myself. So let's see how we do. Okay guys, so here are all the little pieces that we're gonna need, and here's the guide. It has everything with like letters and numbers on it, and everything here, as you see, is numbered as well, and everything is lettered here. So I think we should be able to do this.
Said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you?
Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm here at my new desk, which you will have seen me put together and open up. Along with the package of the new desk, I also received one big H&M package and also one from Zalando, which I thought right now I would open with you guys. Okay, so from Zalando I ordered one pair of Adidas sneakers, and let's see how they look. Wow! I wanted to try the kind of chunky sneaker trend, but I didn't want to go all out because I don't think that would suit me. So I went for this style. They look really, really cool. They are Adidas Oswego. Am I saying that completely wrong? I might be. I have no idea about sneakers. Okay, so the package from H&M is huge. Let's get the scissor out because I ordered a couple of things from H&M home. And I know I said that I'm gonna move as soon as possible, but I still wanted to buy just a few things while I was bored anyway. And I started to plan out like the color scheme and everything. So I just got too excited and I bought some baskets, but let's check them out. Here we go. Wow, oh, they're huge. They're so much bigger than I thought. Let's see. So the first color is just a plain beige, like sand color. Let's see. We do like this, and it's round, like completely round. And I'm going to put a huge plant in this and put this on the floor, and I think it's gonna look really nice. Oh, I really like it once like the folds go away. Very nice. Let me tell you guys the prices while we're here. $29.95, so not even that expensive, and I think the quality seems really nice. I also got the same basket in the gray black color, and this looks really nice as well. This is a little bit bigger than the other one, so I'm gonna have to put like a huge plant in this one. This was $34.95. So H&M Home has a lot of really nice things at the moment. I also bought a little t-shirt just because I really love the print, and I love these kind of basic printed tees along with skirts and shorts for the summer. So I really like the colors on this one, and this was $14.95, so really affordable. And the final thing is a pair of mom jeans that I actually already have, but I loved them so much that I wanted to get a second pair. So these are from the Divided department, mom jeans, high waist, ankle length. So these were $34.95 as well, which I think is a really good price because they are really nice quality. So I really hope you enjoyed this little unboxing with me. I will catch up with you guys later when I'm doing something.
Like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
Okay guys, so welcome to my filming setup. I am about to film a haul video. If you look behind me, there's the camera. And yeah, so I'm about to film a try-on haul video that maybe you will have already seen, maybe it's coming after this video. I don't really know what's the upload schedule of these videos, but I'm gonna film a little haul video of the things that I've bought recently. So check it out if you can, and I will see you on the other side. Guys, we are into week 4 of self-isolation, staying at home. It's Tuesday, I want to say the 6th or the 7th of April, I'm not really sure, but I wanted to tell you guys what I've been up to and give you guys a little update of how I'm doing. So I'll insert a bunch of like time-lapse clips after this with everything that I'm going to tell you guys now what I've been doing. So the first and most important thing is that I've been writing in this book. It's just a notebook, but I have been doing a ton of self-work. So I've been looking into what exactly is holding me back in life and what are some of the things that make me anxious and insecure, and I've been looking at where does this come from, like why do I even have these negative thoughts about myself, and how can I turn them into something that's more positive and more helpful for me in my daily life. How can I overcome this? But that being said, the clip that you're about to see is me kind of writing in this book, but you're also going to see a video of me crying, and I want to explain kind of why I'm crying, because obviously this time is difficult for all of us. It is hard to be away from people, even me as an introvert. I enjoy time by myself, but after a while I start to really miss that human connection, so it is hard. It really is hard. And last week was also just difficult for a bunch of reasons, mainly the loneliness, but also because of writing in this book I was digging into a lot of past traumas and kind of things that I've been burying and haven't really worked through all the pain. So the pain kind of came back to me, and it was really overwhelming to kind of feel the way I used to feel again. So even though it was the best thing ever and it was really good and such a relief to get all that pain out, it's a good thing to cry, I think. It was just really hard, and yeah, last week was tough, but now I'm starting to feel better, and I've come up with a really nice daily routine that I wanted to share with you guys as well, and you'll see it in the clips parts of it as well. So usually every morning I get up between 8 and 9. I try to get up pretty early to get the most out of the day, because I think the morning is just really beautiful and very productive. And I go for a really long walk. That's the first thing I do in the day. So usually I have 2 routes that I kind of switch between, depending on how many podcasts I have to listen to, and also like how much energy I have. So one walk is 2.5 hours and one walk is 1 hour. And when I come home, I usually do a little bit of morning yoga and some exercises to kind of stay active, because staying at home and sitting in my desk the whole day, you really don't move a lot. And I think it's extremely important to keep your body kind of used to an active level, so that when you go back into the world, you're not completely broken. I do a lot of reading, especially now because I have a balcony connected to my room, and the weather has been absolutely incredible. So I sit on the balcony for a couple of hours every day and I read a really good book. So what I've been reading right now is this one, Everything is Fucked by Mark Manson. It's I preferred the first one. It's honestly not my favorite, but it's still pretty good. And the next one that I'm going to read is I Thought It Was Just Me, But It Isn't, by Brené Brown. Brené Brown is a genius, and I think I'm gonna learn a lot from this book, so really excited about that. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys about one thing, what I've been doing in the evenings. So usually I eat dinner around 6 or something, and then I kind of turn down for the night and I watch some movies and some series, and that's the first time that I get into bed in the day and that I watch something on my computer. And then around 9 o'clock or something, like after I've watched something for a couple of hours and I start to feel a little like, oh, I've been in bed for long, I get up and I do a dance party. And I wanted to recommend you guys this, especially if you're struggling and if you're feeling down and if you're feeling like a lack of motivation and not the best mood. Dance. So what I do is that I close the drapes, I turn all the lights out, then I just put in my headphones, or you can blast it out loud if you don't have any neighbors. And I just listen to my favorite music and I just dance around like an idiot. And I've honestly had the biggest smile on my face while doing that. And it's so much fun and it does wonders for your mood. So I wanted to suggest that to you guys. I want to keep inspiring you through this video with things and ideas of what you can do. So I'll keep you guys updated and I'll insert some clips now of what I've been up to. And I hope that you enjoy it and get some ideas out of it. And then I'll see you next time I have something to update you on.
Seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another update. We are now in week 5. I think it's April 20th. To be honest, I have no idea. Things have changed in Switzerland, and I'm gonna tell you guys what the plan is. So it seems they are planning to open back up the stores on May 11th, so in about 3 weeks. So that means I still have 3 weeks here at home because I work in a store. And that is interesting. So I'm gonna tell you guys how I've been and what I'm gonna be doing for the next 3 weeks. So first of all, I'm doing okay. I'm feeling a lot better. It was really tough to go through all of that self-work, but I'm continuing to do it. And I've gotten into this book that I showed you guys before, and I wanted to read you guys a quick little quote that I found that really struck me. So here we go. We cannot survive when our identity is defined by or limited to our worst behavior. Doesn't that strike a chord with you? It strikes a chord with me. But anyways, I've been loving this book. I've learned so much from it, and it's really, really good. And it's the best thing to do to enjoy the sun out on my balcony, because it's been like 24 degrees. It's been absolutely amazing summer weather. So I've been enjoying that. I've been going on really long walks almost every day. I've now started 30 days of sweat. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. But I saw Yes series started on Instagram, this 100 days of sweat, and I think 100 days is just a little bit of a big commitment for me, so I thought 30 days I could manage, so we'll see how we get on with that. In other news, I have found an apartment, so I'm gonna be moving. I'm planning that right now. It's probably gonna happen in the beginning of May, so in about 2 weeks. I'm actually going over to visit the apartment today, so I think I will try to sneak in a little clip for you guys of my new room. And also afterwards today, I'm gonna go sit in the garden of my friend, and we're gonna hang out and have a glass of wine and celebrate the weekend, because it is Friday and she's still working, so that's why we're celebrating. And this, I will say, this is the most crazy packed, not that it is crazy packed, but compared to life in general right now, this is a busy day, and this is the most busy day I've had in the last 5 weeks. So don't think that this is my daily life. Usually every day I'm just by myself the whole day. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed me kind of taking you guys along how it's been here at home and what I've been up to. There's obviously a lot that you haven't seen, because I can't turn this vlog into like a 5-hour vlog, and it's boring to look at me sit in my bed or sit on my balcony reading or watching Netflix or writing in my little notebook. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys are staying safe and staying responsible and staying well. As always, you're free to leave a comment down below and we can chat about this whole situation. I hope that I will see you guys in my next video. Take care until then, and I will see you soon. Bye!